this MGB as he goes past the pits. Now that's the number 27 is now being held by Wayne Sterling Parker. He has got past the number 15 machine. Incredible! Right on the last lap with only 2 corners to go. And it looks as though he has got going again. Now someone else went off as well, so do we have a slippery surface or some problem at Coram Curve? I'm not sure. But is George Noble still going to win the race? Well, it looks as though he is. This is incredible. George Noble went flying off at maximum speed at Coram Curve, and we've got cars going off all over the place. But George Noble does not win the race. Oh, this is really incredible.